Mr. Gray, please do not close my bakery. My daughter is sick tonight.
Sam, you still have no money. I gave you too many chances.
Please give me one more week. I can work day and night.
No, this shop needs money. Sad stories cannot pay rent.
This bakery is my life.
Then you should have protected it.
Where can I go now?
Go home, Sam.
I will leave today. But I will not forget this rain.
Dad, why are you so wet?
We lost the bakery today, Ben.
Daddy, can we still eat bread?
Yes, Lily. I will make bread here.
I will help you, Dad.
Thank you, son.
Sam, I cannot stay here anymore.
Lucy, what are you saying?
I am leaving this house tonight.
Mom, Lily is sick. Mommy, please stay with me.
I am sorry, Lily.
Who is waiting outside?
Mr. Victor is waiting for me.
The rich man?
He can give me a better life.
A rich car is not a family.
Ben, you are too young.
We are poor, but we still love you.
Love cannot buy medicine, Sam.
Mommy, will you come back?
I do not know, Lily.
Then go. I will not follow you.
Goodbye, Ben. Goodbye, Lily.
Lucy, do not break this family.
I already made my choice.
Dad, people like our bread.
Yes, Ben, we are still standing.
The bread smells warm again.
This cart is small, but it is honest.
Well, look at this poor family.
Dad, it is him.
Stay calm, Ben. Sam, the street fits you well. We are working. Please leave us alone. Working? This looks very sad.
Do not laugh at my dad.
Here, boy. Buy a better shirt.
We do not need your money.
Poor people always need money.
We need respect, not your joke.
Victor, stop it!
Be quiet, Lucy.
Mom, are you happy now?
Ben, I am sorry.
Sorry cannot fix that night.
Drive away. I hate this cheap bread.
Lucy, get out of my house!
What? Why are you saying that?
I lost money today.
That is not my fault.
Your sad face brings bad luck.
Please do not say that.
I am tired of you.
It is raining outside. I have nowhere to go.
Go back to your poor baker.
I left them when they needed me.
That is your problem.
I thought money could save me.
Money cannot save foolish people.
I made a terrible mistake.
Take your bag and leave. Are you Sam Miller, the baker? Yes, sir. This is my bread. I tasted it this afternoon. It is simple, warm, and very good.
Really, sir?
Yes. I need your help. My help? The mayor has a party tomorrow. I need 1,000 loaves.
1,000? Before when?
Before 6 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Dad, that is almost impossible.
We only have a small oven. If you finish, I can help you.
Help us how, sir?
I can help you get a new shop.
Dad, this is our chance.
It is dangerous to accept.
Losing hope is more dangerous.
Mr. Brown, we accept. Then I will wait at 6. Ben, put the dough here. We need every minute tonight.
I am trying, Dad. But my arms feel very heavy. Dad, we are still far behind.
Keep counting, Lily.
Sam, please open the door.
Mom? Why are you here?
I know I should not come.
Did he throw you away?
Yes, Ben. He threw me away.
Then why come back to us?
Because I was wrong. I hurt the people who loved me.
Mommy, you left me sick.
I remember your voice every night.
Lucy, we cannot fix this now. The bread must be ready by morning.
Then let me help.
We do not need you.
Maybe you do not. But this bread needs more hands.
Ben, we really need help. I am still angry.
I know, Ben. I am not forgiving everything tonight. But we need help tonight.
Tell me what to do.
Wash your hands first.
Then help Ben with the dough.
Do not talk to me much.
I understand, Ben.
I will show you by working.
Enough. Everyone, back to work.
Dad, the oven light is smaller.
Let me check it. Oh no, the fire is dying.
If the oven gets cold, we lose.
How many loaves do we have? 700 loaves. We still need 300.
We need more wood now.
I saw wood outside.
No, Ben. It is too dangerous.
If the fire dies, everything dies. Ben,
Take this old coat.
Thank you, Mom. Please come back fast.
Be careful, son.
I will come back. I am back, Dad. The wood is wet, but enough.
Ben, are you okay?
I'm okay. Use the wood.
Sit here for one moment. Let me dry your face.
Ben, you are very brave. I only feel very wet.
The fire is coming back.
We still have a chance.
Then let us finish this.
998. 999.
Here is the last loaf.
1,000 loaves.
We did it.
Now we must reach the square. Sam, you arrived just on time. We almost lost everything tonight.
Please count the bread, sir. I counted many times.
Please check every box.
Everyone, wait quietly. $999. 1,000. Perfect.
Thank you, Mr. Brown.
Sam, this key is yours.
You shop?
Yes, Lily. A new bakery.
Dad, we have a bakery again.
This cannot be true. Sam has a new shop?
Yes. My dad earned it.
You are still poor, Sam.
Maybe I am poor, but I am not alone.
Family cannot buy power.
Money cannot buy love.
Sam, I am sorry.
Sorry is only the first step.
I am still angry, Mom.
I know, Ben. I will show you every day.
Can we start slowly?
Come on, Team Miller.
Together, we can do great things. Team Miller is ready.